Today we are going to learn about implementing GitOps and C/CD workflows. We'll explore GitOps principles, setting up environments, using repositories for configuration, and the tools essential for GitOps implementation. Welcome to our educational series on implementing GitOps and C/CD workflows. As we dive into this topic, we will explore the foundational principles of GitOps, a practice that leverages Git as the single source of truth for infrastructure and application management. GitOps is gaining popularity due to its declarative approach, which ensures consistency and reliability across deployments. By the end of this video, you will understand how GitOps can improve your deployment automation. In this section, we'll delve into the key principles of GitOps. At its core, GitOps is a way to implement continuous deployment for cloud-native applications. It relies on using Git repositories as the source of truth for declarative infrastructure and application management. The fundamental principles of GitOps are simple yet powerful: declarative descriptions of the desired system state and the ability to automate processes. This approach contrasts with traditional methods that often involve manual intervention and lack a clear version history. With GitOps, every change is versioned, and the system automatically reconciles the current state with the desired state, ensuring consistency and reliability.
Implementing GitOps brings several benefits to your C/CD workflows. First and foremost, it increases consistency across your deployments by using Git as the single source of truth. This approach reduces discrepancies that may arise from manual changes. Reliability is another significant advantage. Since everything is versioned, you can easily track changes and understand the history of deployments. GitOps also facilitates faster deployment cycles, as changes can be tested and integrated more efficiently. Security is enhanced by using Git's robust authentication and authorization mechanisms, and any unauthorized changes can be easily detected and reverted. Finally, GitOps simplifies rollback procedures, allowing you to revert to a previous state with minimal effort. To set up a GitOps environment, begin by preparing your infrastructure and application repositories. These repositories should contain declarative configurations of your desired system state. Next, choose a GitOps tool that suits your needs. Popular options include Argo CD and Flux, each with unique features. Once your tool is selected, configure it to monitor your repositories and automate the deployment process. This setup ensures that any changes to the repository are automatically applied to your environment. Additionally, integrate your GitOps tool with your existing C/CD pipeline to streamline the entire workflow. Proper setup of a GitOps environment lays the foundation for efficient and reliable deployment processes.
Git repositories play a crucial role in GitOps-based C/CD configurations. They serve as the central hub for storing all configuration files, including infrastructure as code, IAC, scripts, and application deployment manifests. By leveraging Git's version control capabilities, you can track every change made to these configurations, ensuring full traceability and accountability. This setup allows you to automate deployments by using triggers that detect changes in the repository and initiate the appropriate actions. Additionally, Git repositories provide a clear history of modifications, enabling teams to understand what changes were made and when. Maintaining a well-organized repository structure is vital for efficient GitOps practices.
When it comes to implementing GitOps, choosing the right tool is crucial. Argo CD and Flux are two popular options, each offering unique features. Argo CD is a declarative, GitOps continuous delivery tool for Kubernetes, providing automated deployments and application lifecycle management. It offers a user-friendly interface and supports various deployment strategies. On the other hand, Flux is a set of continuous and progressive delivery solutions for Kubernetes that automate the deployment of applications. It is lightweight and can integrate seamlessly with existing C/CD tools. When deciding between these tools, consider your specific requirements, such as ease of use, integration capabilities, and community support.
Infrastructure as code, IAC, is a fundamental concept in GitOps, allowing you to manage and provision infrastructure through code rather than manual processes. This approach brings several benefits, including consistency, repeatability, and scalability. By using declarative syntax, IAC enables you to define the desired state of your infrastructure in a human-readable format. GitOps leverages this capability by storing IAC scripts in Git repositories, ensuring that any infrastructure changes are versioned and traceable. Automation plays a significant role, as GitOps tools can detect changes to these scripts and automatically apply them to the environment. Embracing IAC in GitOps leads to more efficient and reliable infrastructure management.
Continuous deployment is a key aspect of modern software development, allowing teams to release software changes quickly and efficiently. GitOps enhances this process by using Git as the single source of truth. Any change to the code or configuration triggers an automated deployment, ensuring that the desired state is always achieved. GitOps tools handle rollbacks seamlessly, allowing you to revert to a previous state if necessary. This approach ensures consistency across deployments, reducing the risk of errors and discrepancies. By adopting GitOps principles in continuous deployment, you can achieve faster release cycles and improved software quality. Monitoring and alerting are critical components of any GitOps workflow. Effective monitoring ensures that your deployments are running as expected and that any issues are quickly identified. By setting up alerts, you can be notified of any deviations from the desired state, allowing for prompt response to incidents. GitOps tools can integrate with popular monitoring solutions, providing a comprehensive view of your infrastructure and application health. Tracking changes through monitoring ensures that you have a clear history of events, making it easier to diagnose and resolve issues. Implementing robust monitoring and alerting practices is essential for maintaining the reliability of your GitOps workflows.
Security is a paramount concern in any GitOps practice. Securing your Git repositories is the first step, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to critical configurations. Implementing robust access controls and using authentication mechanisms are essential to prevent unauthorized changes. Encryption should be employed to protect sensitive data, both at rest and in transit. Regular audits and compliance checks help maintain the integrity of your GitOps processes. In the event of a security incident, having a well-defined response plan is crucial to minimize impact and restore normal operations. By prioritizing security in GitOps practices, you can safeguard your infrastructure and applications effectively.
Testing is a critical aspect of GitOps workflows, ensuring that deployments are reliable and free from errors. There are various types of tests to consider, including unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. Automating the test processes is essential for efficiency and consistency. Utilizing C/CD pipelines for testing allows for continuous integration of changes and provides immediate feedback. By running tests on every change, you can catch issues early and ensure that only high-quality code is deployed. Reliable testing practices are a cornerstone of successful GitOps workflows, enabling teams to deliver robust and stable applications. Implementing GitOps can present several challenges, but understanding these obstacles is the first step in overcoming them. Common challenges include managing complex configurations, ensuring team collaboration, and maintaining security. Adopting best practices, such as maintaining clear documentation and using automation tools, can help alleviate these issues. Continuous improvement is vital, as GitOps practices evolve over time. Learning from failures and adapting to changes in the environment ensures that your GitOps implementation remains effective. By addressing challenges head-on and embracing a culture of continuous improvement, you can successfully implement GitOps in your C/CD workflows.
In conclusion, GitOps offers a powerful framework for managing C/CD workflows with increased consistency, reliability, and security. By leveraging Git as the single source of truth, you can automate deployments and ensure that your infrastructure and applications are always in the desired state. As you continue to explore GitOps, focus on implementing best practices, such as maintaining clear documentation and automating processes wherever possible. Continuous learning is essential, as the field of GitOps is constantly evolving. Consider exploring advanced topics, such as integrating AI for predictive deployments and optimizing resource usage. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we encourage you to continue exploring the possibilities of GitOps.